Hello and welcome back. We are now on recording passport data. So again, let's log back in the system. Remember, we are in the Congo database. You have no trouble seeing this because your case will not have it won't have issues to do with all these many countries showing. So if you are an NPJRC, you only be seeing your NPJRC. If you are Zambia, you see Zambia. If you are Congo, you see Congo. So to register, to actually record passport data, we have to go to registered material. Then we pick the material where we are attaching the passport data. So in this case, we are dealing with this record we did for Congo. So we're going to go view details and then new passport data. Okay, and this is where we'll put in, for example, maybe the collection was done by BNC, and we can put a count of 0001. The trip code could still be that the DRC. If there's a new trip code, you go and capture the new trip code so that you can be able to pick it up here. Remember, it's under reference data, so you need to do that. The date of collection could be maybe 20, say maybe 15th, okay, 16th December. Alright, the nearest village is, okay, I don't know if this is a village that will be recognized in Congo, but I'll use Lineki. And distance to the village, I'll put in 3.5 kilometers. Alright, latitude and longitude, if you have them, you put them in there. Including altitude, I can give you an example. Altitude, I could put 1,200 meters. Type of sample, this is maize, so this is a seed. And then bear in mind that wherever you see a red star like this, it means this is a required mandatory field. If you leave it out, the system will prompt you that you need to put in information in there before you can actually proceed. So the collection source is the farmland. Remember, green farm. However, you can pick anything else if that is more appropriate. Things like topography, and site feature, these you can pick as you wish. There are no red stars. If there is no information, you can jump the fields without red stars. Method of propagation, this is seed. The growing season could be annual. The sowing period may be in November. Is there transplanting involved? We could easily say no, because this is maize, so we don't do transplanting. And the yield could be medium. Anything else? The habitat could be woodlands, farmland, and maybe open grassland. Okay. And what else under passport data? Settlement history, maybe we say greater than 100 years people have been in this settlement. Plant use is used for food, it's used for cultural purpose, it's used for beverage, and that's it for maize, I think. Plant part used, we'll use the sorry, we use the seed. We could use anything else here, but we'll just leave the seed. Then special attributes, you could say it's a drought resistant and it's a delicacy, or it's a test. Material, source of seed is on seed. Post harvest handling, you could say threshing, drying, and seed treatment. Yes. Then anything else you pick as required. Rain fed, irrigated, yes. field preparation in terms of labor, you could say male greater than female, or male equals to female. Planting, male equals to female. Weeding, female greater than male. So what this means is that females do more weeding and fertilizing than the males. That is what that means. Then are there taboos associated with this crop? No. And then any other information, and if you've got some remarks you could easily put in there, but in my case I'll go ahead and save. So once I save, I'll see that record right there. Forgot something, to go and edit, you just go to the parent register, or you go to the register, pick the register. You can see the number I told you is now reading as 1, which means we have a passport data attached to that record. Now when I go to passport data and view details, I can edit because I want to give it a local name. And the local name for maize in my language is actually called what? Where is the local name here? The ethnic name, yes, that is what maize is called, and no meaning, and ethnic group is that. Then we update. Alright, so this does it for the passport data. Thank you. See you in the next video.